Face diet, T-line increase nose length. Use your thumb and index finger on both sides. Pull the upper and lower skin of the eyebrow line, gently twisting. Repeat 5 times. Press and release the skin along the bridge of the nose with the thumb and index finger. Repeat 5 times. Use the middle finger on both sides of the nose from top to bottom. Repeat 10 times. Place the middle finger and ring finger on the left middle of the forehead. Place the middle finger and ring finger on the nose bridge. Do not need to put weight on the finger. Drag the right hand down gently and hold for 15 seconds. Repeat 5 times. Use your thumb and index finger to gently pull the skin between your nostrils down and hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 5 times.